barako nagbabalik. Bablog tayo ngayon kasi nag-i-snow. Snow time, nagbe-breakfast kami. May Barako Junior, ayan. So happy Valentine's pala nung nakaraan sa lahat. Yan o, nagbigay ako ng bulaklak kay Mrs. Oh. Pinamili ko bigas o bulaklak. Bulaklak daw, okay. So yun lang, ang dami ng kaganapan. Di ako masyadong nakapag-vlog, masyadong busy ang buhay-buhay dito. Pero ngayon nag-snow na naman, kaya naisipan ko mag-vlog. So para may mga content siguro mamaya makapaglaro sa labas, pero ang lamig na naman, -17. Nung nakaraan, positive na. Lagi ng positive 1, 2, 3, 4, pataas, ganyan. Ngayon, lumamig na naman. So, kumusta na mga buhay-buhay, mga kabarako? So, ito, bablog tayo. So, subukan natin mag-vlog ulit. So, pag may time, kaso medyo busy tayo ngayon eh. Maraming kaganapan sa trabaho. So, nagpas. Nagta. Umaga ang pumasok. Kasi ngayon, walang school. Family day kahapon. Then winter break. Naka-winter break yung mga bata. Para makapanood din ng Olympics. Winter Olympics ngayon eh.
Yeah.
Yun nga, mamaya na lang ulit. Pagod na ako. Mamaya na lang ulit, mamaya na. Or bukas, or sa makalawa. Basta, nagbubuo tayo na isang vlog ngayong February. Kahit isa. Okay? So yun, next day mga kabarako. Tuloy natin, lunchtime naman. Kakain na kami ng lunch ni Barako Junior. Yan ang may nilagang baka. Yan, konting kanin at maraming gulay. Tapos may siling manghang. Tapos may patis na may sili. Tapos may lemon. Wow! Yan ang ating sausawan for today's video. Yan. So, ang lamig ngayon. Check natin yung temperature. -25 degrees Celsius. Feels like -28. Kaninang umaga, mas malamig yan. Nung pumasok ako. Yeah, kumakain din siyang nilaga. Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Sarap. First bite. Thank you, Lord. Anghang. Tamang-tama sa mainit na malamig na panahon. Este. So tapusin lang yung pagkain. Mamaya na lang ulit. Ganito lang yung vlog. Konti-konti lang. Putol-putol. Panalo talaga. Sarap nung nilaga ko kasing baka. Pressure cooker ko yung buto. Tapos yung laman. Yung sa Costco, yung pang steak. So hindi na kailangang i-pressure cooker. Lambot. Kaya naman namang steak, malamig sa labas eh. So yun. Kain mo na.
There you go. Bye.
Dahil malamig, magkakape muna. Wala talagang tapon din, Westeros.
Kaya mo lang kinakain. Umupo ka muna doon. Mag-sit down ka muna doon. Huwag ka muna.
Nakain ng pretzel. Oh, careful.
Sarap.
Parang tinapay na.
Ginawang pandiagwa ang bango. Bagong luto.
Naging tinapay nga, hindi na pretzel.
Pretzel yan.
Hmm.
resibo sa labas, OMG.
Tapos na winter. Ayan na. Swimsuit na. Bikini. Itong
Kaya
Cheeky.
kailangan ko na lang.
bikini. Cheeky, hipster, bikini.
Hindi naman kayo nakakatulong. Sa akin.
Ito, yung cheeky, yung
wala
kita
akong
yung puwet.
makitang M.
Pag hipster, ganun.
Ano ba po extra small?
Antong,
Naubos na yung lang medium.
shopping mo na dito sa wag. Dito tayo dito. Kakain muna kami sa wag. Pagkakapit. So, yun yung view.
Wala pala tao. Kasi bagyo. Dito mo yung bagyo.
Siya na ang order namin nun. Do not buy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Winter Wonderland na ulit. Kainis. Ba't nga ganun? After Bakit ba?
Hindi mo na ayos.
Ganyan? Ha?
Patayin mo.
Ano mo sabihin? Hindi ka pag dumiretso dyan, ayaw mo. Doon sa atin, doon ako sa kabila. Ayaw mo.
Diretso tunog.
Doon sa may, park na pang matanda. Pwede ka doon. Yung dinadaanan natin. Traffic na kasi dito sa sa...
Pagtama ng video. So yun, lakas ng snow. Lakas ng snow. Snow ka lang. Nagkape pa kami. Kasi akala ko 7 pa. Time check 6:30 pa lang. Kaya lumabas na kami ng maaga. Kaso eto na, snow na. So yun na nga mga kabarako. So ganito lang ang winter dito. Lakas. Nag-i-enjoy pa si Barako Junior. Nag-i-enjoy pa eh. Lakas ng snow. Dito tayo sa ilalim ng puno. So hanggang dito na lang. Bye.